ika nga nilay na tigi-isip, ikating paparaisip mo pa. O kung iyo mo, ika nga nilay ka na nagroromduman, pero ika puro permimong tigroromdom. Pagod na siya sa iyong isipan. Kasi lagi siyang tumatakbo sa iyong isip. Friends, as we begin the new year, it's an opportune time for us to let them go. Those who have no contribution in our personal growth, and also those who have no contribution to deepen our faith, unload them and move on. How do we move on? 3 things or 3 ways. Close your heart, close your eyes, open your heart, let them go. Close your eyes, open your heart, let them go. Close your eyes in prayer, open your heart in forgiveness, and let them go. Tama na, sobra na, palitan na. Kaysa may sabi kayo. My dear brothers and sisters, I'm sorry is the other term for the word I love you. Kaya siring na gayo mga tugang, please don't be afraid to say the word I'm sorry. Finally, the word I love you. Love is the greatest of all virtues, the bond of perfection. Saying I love you may seem simple, but it carries the power to strengthen relationships, heal wounds, and bring light into the darkest moment. Imagine the impact if we practice this mantra daily for the next